Hello, I'm coming to you guys with a quick overview so you'll have a clear understanding of what this process looks like. Again, the open enrollment period will begin Monday, September 14th, ending midnight on Sunday, September 20th. All changes to your benefits must be made and completed by Sunday, September 20th. The changes that you make to your benefits will take effect on Thursday, October 1st, 2020. Using the search engine of your choice, you're going to browse over to workforcenow.adp.com. Please note, if this is your first time logging in, click the Sign Up button. If you are unsure of your registration code, please reach out to us at extension 6860. Upon logging in, you will be presented with a splash page showing important information about this open enrollment period. You may click Start this enrollment or Remind me later. This splash page will continue to be displayed each time you log in for the duration of the open enrollment period until you complete this selection. To start, simply click Enroll Now. You will be brought back to the Welcome Note and Introduction screen. Please review all information on this screen, as there are often important references for your open enrollment options. You must populate the information as indicated before clicking Continue. The left side of the screen will indicate the different plan types that are available to you. When you are viewing the selected plan type, all enrollment options will be displayed on the screen. The rate displayed to the left will be updated based on your selection, and it will also be updated if dependents are added for coverage. While enrolling in a plan, please be sure to indicate which dependent should be covered in Step 2. If you need to update or add a dependent, you may click the Manage Dependent link in Step 2. If you need to update or add a dependent, you may click the Manage Dependent link to the right of Who do you want to cover? Review your enrollment and costs carefully. Then click Save and Continue to Next Benefit. If you need to update or add a dependent, you may click the Manage Dependent link in Step 2. I'm not going to actually add a person at this time, but here's how the screen will look. The coverage level for your enrollment is driven by which dependents you select to enroll. Once you've done so, continue to preview, review your selections, save, and continue to Next Benefit. On this screen, we offer all of our employees FSA benefits. This screen is a demonstration of what your FSA dependent care page will look like. You'll select Plan. Here is the maximum amount that Flex is offering this year. This is for dependent care. This $2,000 that you see me keying in here, the system is automatically set up to calculate this $2,000 over 12 months. As you can see, I missed the area. Okay, I got it. Select Annual Plan Year, Continue, and Save to Next Benefit. Here, I'm going to give you an example of what waiving a benefit looks like. When waiving a plan, you have to select a reason in order to go on. FSA healthcare is not a required benefit, so you do not have to waive this plan. You can simply continue. On this screen, you will review all of your selections. If everything looks good, submit enrollments. The last step would be to ensure that you have received the confirmation note indicating that your enrollments have been successfully submitted. Here is a calendar to show how many days you have left to make any changes to your open enrollment benefits. If you would like to make changes or modify your enrollments at any time during our duration, you may do so by logging into workforcenow.adp.com. Navigate over to Myself, Benefits, Enrollments, and click Enroll Now. Again, in the open enrollment box, which will bring you back to the beginning of the profile to make any desired election changes. We do ask that once you complete enrollment, that you print off your benefit summary page, sign and date it at the bottom, and submit it to Human Resources. Again, print off your benefit summary page once you have elected all of the benefits that you are interested in. Sign and date it at the bottom and submit it to Human Resources. This will be the last step of completing your open enrollment. Thanks.